GRT at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move, and we continue to hold within our key area of support between the 0.29 and the 0.1951. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the additive structures and the Fibonacci's, and starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 20th of Dec, where you can see that we first saw a bit of a bounce to the upside and we picked in the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and at some point we had seen a reaction of this target area in what I believed was the start of an impulsive additive count 3. But from the price action that we can see at the moment, this movement is not impulsive, and there's a chance that we can get one more new low in the formation of this wave 2, fully maximizing our yellow target area before we can then finally bounce impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in the formation of this additive count 5. We also need to have a worst case scenario that can play out in case we get a breakdown move, fully maximizing our yellow target area, then break to the lower side of this yellow target area, and maybe at some point also lose support above the 0.1882. In case such a movement plays out, then I will be expecting to see GRT give us a reset of the lows we made on the 20th of December. And once that plays out, then I will be expecting even lower prices, and that will be discussed once I zoom out on the charts using the additive structures. Also remember that this additive structure that I have on the charts in red is part of an even larger additive count 3, and this larger additive count 3 is part of an additive structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 4th of November, where you can see that we first picked impulsively in the formation of this wave 1, saw a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in a wave 3, a wave 4, and then finally picked in the formation of this wave 5, giving us a high above the 0.35. And that 5 wave structure to the upside completed the formation of this larger additive count 1. And after we picked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a pullback in the formation of these larger additive counts 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and all I was expecting was a complete 5 wave structure to the upside to confirm to us that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and we are now starting that impulsive movement in the formation of this wave 3. So if by any chance our 5 wave structure over here fails, then I will be expecting further breakdown moves, and that will also be suggesting that we still don't have a low in place in the formation of these larger additive counts 2. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting GRT to continue following for the next coming days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.